time that we ever danced together. You kissed me and I froze right where I stood. It felt just like that night could go on forever. That's the very moment my heart thought you would. Always be mine. Always be mine. Remember when we drove all night down to Daytona? I don't even think we ever saw the beach. We spent half a week's vacation in a hotel room, and that might not be your favorite memory, but it'll always be mine. Always be mine. Oh, I know you said we don't belong together, but if by chance you ever change your mind and you need two arms still dying to hold you, it'll always be mine. I still keep your picture hanging in the hallway, and all your letters in the bottom of the drawer. I still believe for everyone there's only one true love, and I realize that I'll never be yours, but you'll always be mine.